Ho ho, what's good? Can I say ho ho? Any wokies out there, please let me know. OMG, what the hell happened to the market? The question I got a lot yesterday. Of course, from every newbie in the crypto market. What will happen next? Where are the markets headed? We will talk about it today. I feel like I'm going insane because when I see 7 to 10% correction in the market, I know that it's an ordinary Wednesday. When I see 20 to 30% correction, I see opportunity. And people are going mental because of few red weekly candles, hell, even daily red candles. What happened? Well, does it really matter? Because after a few weeks, this will be history. Everyone is freaking out about the Federal Reserve not easing as much as they were hoping for. But yet they still dropped the interest rate about 25 points, even though the inflation is not coming down as fast as they wished for. And they also need to address the job market as well. The higher the interest rate, the less likely you will be to find a new job. But Jerome mentioned that nothing is set to stone. They will act as new data comes in. Oh, they missed that somehow, those newbies. Oh, what do you mean only 2 cuts in 2025? Oh, I must sell now. Also, may I remind you that Federal Reserve has an intent not to tell you everything. Otherwise, they will undermine their own actions. People will front run the news, thus they will not achieve their goals. It's very simple actually. If you have 10 loaves of bread in the store and Jerome tells you that there is no new bread coming, you will run and buy the bread like millions of other people, but the store knows that and amps the price up. Thus we have inflation. But the markets do the exact opposite. Because of the liquidity. If you take out the liquidity or you don't pump more liquidity in, then everything will sell off because they know that no buyers are willing to step in. It's not rocket science. May I remind you that Federal Reserve also lies. Inflation is transitory. Remember that. It was almost yesterday. So being hawkish next year shouldn't be taken as a truth anyways. Also, Bitcoin came from 16,000 to 73,000 United States dollars on zero liquidity. Interest rates were high as Snoop Dogg on Saturday. And yet people are reacting like interest rates need to come down before Bitcoin pumps. Are you mental? And the funny part is that we got lower interest rates yesterday. So are you retarded? That's a rhetorical question, of course. So embrace and enjoy those tips, okay? Because that's the only way to make money in this market. By not buying the top all the time. How many cycles are you willing to buy the top? Tell me. So what will happen next? Santa Silly is going to tell you. Ho, ho, ho. This here will be a normal correction. Is it 20%? Is it 30%? Doesn't matter. But this will prepare us for the final blow off top. The rally that starts in January. As we see Bitcoin dominance falling, Ethereum will double, breaking out from this massive 3-year ascending triangle. Where is the top? Well, I don't know. I'm not Baba Vanga. But what I know is that the top will lead us to the next bear market. And that will happen probably in less than 6 months. This will be a historic moment. Do you remember the video I made about the prophet predicting every detail about Donald Trump's assassination attempt and his survival and his inevitable win and the colossal collapse of all the markets after that? And I promised you that we will visit this topic later on this year. Well, this moment is now. And here we are. 2 out of 3 predictions came true. So if you want to see the video, which I totally recommend you to do, it should pop up right here somewhere. And I'm not a guy who follows astrology, you know, Saturn and Mercury in the retro thing, whatever, 80s retro sync wave. I'm not that superstitious. I don't believe in psychics and, you know, this telepathic connection thing, you know, the remote viewers, maybe. But I believe statistics. I follow it. I love it. And I like the odds I'm seeing. You know, it's like the house always wins. Even if it has 51% win rate, that means that over time they will accumulate money, meaning that they win. So, in 2025, first half, if you fail to take profits, I don't tell you to sell everything, but if you don't take your profits and exit the market with at least something, then you will lose everything. It's simple. And trust me, I will be here covering the top, covering the bottom of the next bear market. I will be here. I will give you ho 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 advice. And I hope that you have this lovely holiday cheer still left, even though the market is red like my hat. So enjoy the holidays, and I hope that you enjoyed this video as well. If you did, hit that like, smash that bell, and if you dare, subscribe as well. I'm Silly Lamas, and thanks for watching. Till next time.